Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene, and today we have a quick meditation that you can do anytime, anywhere, and it's for learning. So I'm learning a new language right now. I'm learning Spanish, and sometimes it's nice to just take a little break and have a little bit of guidance to slow everything down so that I can come back and my brain and my body and my spirit are in a good position to learn. But if you are a student, this might be awesome for you, or if you just are wanting to take a little time for some more self-study, this might be a wonderful meditation to implement into your week. So hop into something comfy, grab a little pillow or a cushion if you like to sit on it, and let's get started. Okay, my friend, welcome. Thank you so much for selecting this video, and thank you for sharing your valuable time with me and with Benji. We're going to come to a comfortable seat of your choice for today's practice. Maybe perhaps making a selection based on how well you can sit up tall through the spine. So just do your best. It may not be super comfortable at first, but we're going to try to get to a place where we can be at ease here. We'll just see what happens today. So as you get settled into a nice cross-legged seat, or maybe you're sitting in a chair, take a moment here to just drop your shoulders and land. You've taken this time for yourself. It's valuable. Trust that that is true. And as you're ready, we will soften the gaze down gently past the nose. And just see if you can align your head over your heart and your heart over your pelvis, over your center. And you might find, whoa, yeah, I was really leaning forward, or oh man, I was collapsed. And maybe it's not a big move, it's just a subtle move as we start to kind of drop our studies outside of this moment and come into the present, this present state of awareness, head over heart, heart over pelvis. Then you can keep a nice soft gaze down past the nose, or if you're comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes here and allow the sound of my voice to guide you. When you're ready, inhale in deeply through the nose. And as you exhale, relax the weight of your shoulders down. This could be just an awareness, or it could be an actual physical move. We'll do that again. Inhale in deeply. And exhale. Just feel the fall of this exhale, relaxing the shoulders down, down, down. And one more time, big inhale. And exhale, relaxing the shoulders. And if this creates any small micro adjustments here, go ahead and allow that to happen. We're not locked into stillness. And in general, I think it's a nice way to approach meditation, particularly if you're new and you might think that you have to kind of nail the meditation posture, right? Let it feel like you, whatever that means to you. So you can make soft, easy adjustments at any time. Don't feel like you're locked into stillness or into a certain shape. Make it your own. And then just continue to gently deepen your breath with the gaze soft, down past the nose or the eyes closed. Noticing where your thoughts go. And go ahead and make it a practice of acknowledging those thoughts. And then leaving them after the acknowledgement and coming back to the quality of your breath, the rhythm of your breath. Shoulders keep relaxing down. And we keep fine-tuning this awareness of head over heart, heart over pelvis, just kind of allowing the body to sync up here with the breath in a very subtle and beautiful way. Feel the gentle rise of your inhale and then trace it. Follow it all the way down through the end of your exhale. Keep acknowledging the thoughts as they come up. And then keep returning back to your current cycle of breath. Now, as you're ready, bring your awareness to your lower body. Get heavy from the waist down, whatever that means to you. Now bring your awareness to the upper body, from the waist up. And without any grand gesture necessarily, it can be a movement, it can be a physical movement, but see if you can bring a little bit of a lightness into the upper body. And notice if that changes your breath. Feel the rise of your inhale and the softening with your exhale. Stay where you are. Each breath, one present moment that opens a window into the next. Now capture a moment of exquisite stillness, whatever that means to you. Inhale in and exhale out. On your next inhale, flip just the right palm up ever so slowly. Soft fingers with one palm now face up and one palm face down. Inhale in. Exhale to switch. Right palm comes down. And inhale, left palm open, soft fingers. Inhale in. Exhale, both palms face up here, capturing that exquisite stillness. See what you can do. See what you can find. Noticing the thoughts as they come by and perhaps seeing them now more like clouds. You see them, you notice them, but then they pass you by. Now bring your awareness to the base of your spine. If you want, you can put a little soft light there. And with your mind's eye, you're going to slowly travel up from the base of the spine. And like an elevator, lift that awareness all the way up from the pelvic floor, all the way up through the waistline, all the way up past the belly button, all the way up through the rib cage, lifting you up all the way through your heart space. The neck gets long as it travels up through the cervical spine. This soft light or this awareness now all the way up through the head and all the way up to the crown until you're sitting up at your tallest point here, palms face open, fingertips soft. Lots of awareness on the rhythm of your breath. Then inhale in here. And as you exhale, spread the fingertips wide, bring the palms together and really feel the warmth or just the temperature of your palms here pressing together as you bring the sternum to the thumbs. Inhale in deeply through the nose and exhale, nice cleansing breath out through the mouth. Inhale in deeply through the nose. Nice cleansing breath out through the mouth. And one more time, big inhale. And exhale, sigh it out. Awesome, bow the head to the hands. If you want, you can bring your thumbs to the third eye. Give yourself a little massage here on the forehead before you return to your day or your evening or maybe back to your studies. Take one more moment here of gratitude. You know, a little time just to slow down, connect with the breath. Be kind to the body and the brain, really goes a long way. Thanks again for sharing your time with me. Take good care. Namaste.